Hi everyone! Today we find out, is there a way to enter text quickly in Word and Excel? So to set this up, the first thing we have to do is enter the full name or the phrase on the document. And then we copy it, Control C, deselect it, and we go to File, click on Options, go to the Proofing section, and click on Autocorrect Options. In the section that says Replace, we're going to enter an abbreviated version of the full name or phrase, but when we're entering it, we need to pick something that's not a real word on its own. If your abbreviated version is already a real word, a nice way to get around it is to type a number on the end, so it makes it unique. So the abbreviation that I'll choose to use would be JJB, but it can be anything. So I just type JJB. And where the section says with, you're going to go Control V to paste what you copied. Click on Add, click OK, and click OK again. So now, whenever I type JJB and I press space, or I type JJB and I press enter, it'll automatically update to the full version of my phrase. Now, if I do this here and I go across to Excel, it will automatically do the same thing on this end. So if I type JJB, it'll automatically convert here as well. If it doesn't immediately work on Excel for you, then you may already have Excel open, so you'll just need to close Excel off and reopen it, and it'll start working. I hope this tip makes it a little bit easier to deal with Excel and Microsoft Word. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.